Hello. In this video, we will learn about the conversational search experience. Previously, Google used to work like a person you are talking to. Every time you start a new conversation, they forget the previous one. This was the scenario with Google as well. When we searched, it wouldn't remember the previous context. Each search was treated independently, ignoring the flow of your conversation. So whenever something was searched, it was treated differently. This means no benefit was gained from the old search query. The problem with this was misinterpretation. Google misunderstood the intent and mostly incorrect results were displayed. Now, what is the new way? Now, Google has become contextually aware. When you search for something, it checks your search history so that it can use previous searches to provide you with more accurate and relevant results. Google now uses advanced language capabilities to understand the intent behind your queries. It wants to know your motivation if you are searching for something. This helps make searches smoother and more intuitive, allowing it to further streamline your searches and fulfill your intent. Search engines are great at understanding not just what users search for, but why they search for it next. This means understanding why a user keeps performing new searches again and again, what their intent is, or what they are missing. So what is a query path? This is essentially when a pattern is created. A large number of users start following a specific pattern. A person comes, searches for one thing, then searches for a second related thing, and then searches for a third thing. You might have seen this on e-commerce websites like Amazon. They show suggestions below, like the person who bought this item also bought this. For instance, let's say someone buys a light, like a street light. Then below it shows that the people who bought this light also bought this pole. In this way, people end up buying both items. Or if someone buys a movie, perhaps a Harry Potter film, it suggests below that people also bought the other Harry Potter movies in a bundle. This creates a path. The benefit of this is that Amazon achieves more sales. There are a few things involved here: the sequence in which the queries are being searched, the user's intent, and how highly related the queries are to one another. Why are query paths important? They help determine the user's needs, increase search accuracy, and improve the user experience. We have examples. Let me show you the examples visually. Let's say a person searches for a turkey recipe and then searches for carving. Now, Google understands that even though these are two different searches, the person wants to carve the turkey after cooking it. That's why they searched for carving. Now look at this. A person searches for a turkey recipe, then goes back and searches for carving. Previously, both were treated differently. Google did not know what the person wanted. Now, what happens? When someone searches for turkey recipe, they see recipes. When they search for carving, they will see turkey even in the suggestions. Moreover, below there will be a result indicating that you want to know about the turkey and how to carve it. Furthermore, when they just type carving, this suggestion is also displayed. Look, when they type carving, turkey, and related items appear. Similarly, if Christmas movies are being searched, Polar Express, Christmas Story, now, Google knows that the user wants to watch various movies related to Christmas. So this is basically the query path. Google gathers a lot of user data. It sees if every second user is behaving this way, and based on that, it shapes the search engine. When we create a semantic topical map, this factor is also considered, that we should link those topics and write about them. This might be a user's subsequent query after searching for the first item. We analyze attributes and other factors to get an idea of these things.